Benefits of Start Affiliate Marketing Business. Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing in which an affiliate promotes a product or service to potential customers in exchange for a commission on any resulting sales. Some advantages of affiliate marketing business are: 1. Low startup costs. Affiliate marketing does not require a significant investment in infrastructure, inventory, or staffing. Affiliates can start with a website, social media accounts, and affiliate links, and then scale their business as they generate revenue. 2. Passive income. Affiliates can earn passive income by promoting products and services that they believe in. They can create content once and then continue to earn commissions as long as their links are generating sales. 3. Flexibility. Affiliates can work from anywhere and at any time. They can choose which products and services to promote and how to promote them, depending on their interests and skills. 4. No customer service. Affiliates do not have to deal with customer service, returns, or refunds. That responsibility lies with the merchant or vendor. 5. Diverse income streams. Affiliates can promote multiple products and services from different merchants or vendors, creating diverse income streams that can help to stabilize their earnings. 6. Performance-based earnings. Affiliate marketing is performance-based, meaning that affiliates are paid only when they generate sales or leads. This model incentivizes affiliates to promote products and services effectively and efficiently.